We're Team Wolfpack, and this is our amusement park industry analysis. I'm Catriona. The first amusement park was thought to be the Pleasure Gardens that started in Europe during the late 16th century. The North American Industry Classification System code for amusement and theme parks is 713110 and is considered a U.S.-specific industry. Because this is a high-risk, high-profit industry, the International Association of Amusement Parks and Attractions allows for communication and cooperation between different companies on a global scale. The location of these parks need to be in areas that have mild weather conditions and are easily accessible to a vast majority of people. Of the top competitors, the Walt Disney Company is the most profitable and mostly wide known, with 50 million adventure seekers coming annually. And here's Athena with the macro factors.
Some of the macro environmental factors of the industry include political regulations. These regulations mainly relate to public safety, but there are also occupational health and safety administration regulations for the employees of the industry. Another factor is technology. This leads to constant change because people are always seeking higher, faster, and different thrill rides. Another factor is the economy. Right now the economy is low, which means less disposable income per family and less money being spent on leisure activities. This means that this is an impeding factor on the industry. Some of the trends include constant social competition for people's leisure time. The demographic trend is changing. Right now, the average demographic is people 18 years and under, and the key demographic is people 25 to 45. But the overall population is aging, making the industry have to rethink the future of their attractions. And now here's Rikayla with the customer characteristics.
With over 315 million visitors, the amusement park industry caters to a wide range of customers. However, their two main consumer focus groups are the younger than 18 category, which makes up 25% of the market segment, then the 65-plus demographic, which is a rising segment as more baby boomers are retiring. The amusement park industry chooses to build parks in or near highly populated areas to obtain maximum exposure. There is a relationship between place and profit. The higher in population the place, then the more establishments and revenue are generated. Because of the number of consumers the amusement park industry has, they have a high volume of repeat customers. This correlates directly to the very high penetration rate within the domestic market that the industry has obtained. However, because of this, they have a low expected growth rate and have been forced to constantly reinvent themselves by offering new rides, attractions, and promotions. The amusement park industry uses a variety of advertising methods such as websites, newspaper ads, magazine ads, hotel and ticket packages, television commercials, flyers in local magazines, and most importantly, word of mouth. And now to Laurence to discuss micro factors.
To supply all the goods and services offered at an amusement park, parks must purchase wholesale from a variety of industries including food, beverage, vending, advertisement, performance, and lodging. Because of the sheer volume of goods required, amusement parks must buy from large corporations such as Kraft or Pepsi. The parks then take these goods and services and assemble them into a collectively new experience for their customers. Parks make their money through three main ways: admission fees, food and beverage sales, and souvenirs. The longer parks can get their guests to stay, the more money they will spend on food, drinks, and merchandise. Park employees have no universal amusement park union, but employees belong to unions such as the 25,000 Disneyland employees who belong to the Trade Service Union. This union pushed for higher wages for park employees who've been struggling on their current salary. And here's Michelle to discuss industry growth and competition.
5 major companies control 89.2% of the market share, and many smaller, sometimes seasonal companies control 10.8%. The competitive advantages are location, having a large catchment area, promotion of attractions, quality of vendor facilities, and the price of entry compared to the amount of time the attraction will entertain. The customer's experience is due to having a high degree of interaction. It is highly important that the companies continually invest in new interactive attractions, themes, and shows to maintain high customer satisfaction. The amusement park industry is a mature, established industry operating in a low-growth market with high market saturation. The state of the economy and travel-related trends heavily influence the growth in the amusement park industry. From 2006 to 2011, the rate of industry revenue growth was 2.1% and is projected to grow at 2.5% over the next 5 years. This growth will occur as the economy recovers, travel spending increases, and operators expand internationally. This concludes our presentation. Thank you.